Everybody, Mike here from Artificial Antics. You know that feeling you get when you realize you're doing the same thing over and over again and it's just not cutting it anymore? So that was me every week when I'd sit down to do the AI Bytes newsletter. Rico and I want to keep this content fresh for you. We don't want it to be noise. We want it to be very focused and directed on what's important, right? So I found myself really going back to the same three sources for my AI news. Now, don't get me wrong, those sources are great, but I wanted to go deeper. You know, sure, I'd get great ideas from conversations with amazing people and looking at different posts, YouTube videos, authors like Go, Ally K. Miller, friend of the show, Tim Chakur. But when it came time to sit down and actually write the newsletter, I found myself always pulling from the same three sites for my ideas, and it wasn't enough. So I thought, what if I could bring all of my trusted AI and business sources into one place? Not just the big ones like Wired, but influencers, niche blogs, and more. And while I'm at it, why not sort everything by newsletter sections? So we have like Mike's Musings, AI Insights, Skeptics Corner in Rico's section, and I really wanted to understand which of these articles were relevant to which of these sections, so I'd instantly know where everything fits. So that's when I decided to build a custom workflow using a tool called N8N. It pulls articles from 20 trusted sources. These are hundreds of articles per week, right? I'd never be able to read that, and then automatically classifies them into sections for the newsletter. Oh, it checks to make sure that we're not reusing content we've already covered. Pretty slick, right? Now, all of that content gets pulled into one clean spreadsheet, complete with links, summaries, classifications, total game changer. And instead of wasting hours searching for ideas, I could focus on what really matters, writing, brainstorming, having these conversations. I also want to make a quick note that lately, instead of OpenAI, I've been using Google's Gemini, the Flash 2.0, to power these workflows, as well as when I open the spreadsheet, it's a Google Sheet, and I could use Gemini within there to do some natural language prompting and say, what are the top 3 ideas for Mike's Musing AI Insights this week, right? And it's huge. So if you're tired of the grind, think about automating. This workflow didn't just save me 8 hours a week, right? If I were to read all those articles, hey, I'm not even sure I'd be able to read all the 300 and something articles, right? Without taking up my whole week. It helped me deliver better, more diverse content. I'll even give you a quick story. I found an article in there from an author that I would have never, ever found on my own. It wasn't something that was found in Google. It was on one of the AI RSS feeds. And I actually liked the article so much that I not only took some ideas from it, but I wrote to the author, connected with them on LinkedIn, and now he's a listener and a reader of the AI Bytes newsletter. So shout out here to Manny. And honestly, it's made the whole process so much more fun. So if you're interested in how I did this, we are going to be doing some courses on this and really some short form content. Also, feel free to reach out to me directly. I am Mike from Antics TV at proton.me. Just give me a shout, hit me on LinkedIn, hit me on an email. I'm happy to go through what I did here with you. All right, folks, thanks for watching and listening here, and we'll see you back in the lab soon.
Thanks for joining us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know your thoughts in the comments. Stay connected with us on Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn for all the latest updates. And check out antics.tv or our YouTube channel at Artificial Antics. We'll see you back in the lab soon.